we're going to talk about order of operations, and you may have heard of order of operations before. And when you think about order of operations, you got to think of PEMDAS, right? Which you hear the acronym before, and it stands for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, right? P is for parentheses, E for exponents, S for subtract, M for multiplication, D for division, A for add. Now the key with this is that you need to look from left to right. So for multiplication and division, which one comes first? It depends which one's on the most left first. So if you have division in the operation, that's most left, and you have multiplication on the right of it, you'll do the division part first. Same thing with addition and subtraction. You do the addition first if it's most left, okay? Order of operations can mess you up if you don't understand what it is, okay? So again, it's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P's for parentheses, it comes first. Exponents next. Addition and subtraction, it depends on left to right. Multiplication, division, left to right. You do one that's most left. So now you're going to need some examples. So I'll just create some examples for you, and we'll try it, and then you guys can tell me what you come up with as far as the answers, okay? So order of operations means that you have a bunch of numbers with different operations, and the operations refer to like exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And the operations are, for addition is a plus, for subtraction is a minus, for multiplication is a multiplication sign, and division is with a division line. So let's look at an example here, okay? We'll do 5 minus 2 squared plus 3 squared minus 8 plus 12 divided by 2. Okay, I'm going to erase that. Times 3. Oh, you can't see that. Times 3. There you go. All right. So, what's the first thing that order of operations say to do? Do what first? All right. What do we see parentheses? The front. So what do we do? What's 5? What's 5 minus 2?
3.
So we get 3. So we'll write 3, and then you write the problem 3 squared plus, again, 3 squared minus 8 plus 12 divided by 2 times 3. And the order of operations says, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We have more parentheses still? No, not really. I mean, so then what's the next thing? Do what? Exponents. The one most to the left is the first one. 3 squared is what? 3 times 3 is? 9. Okay. What's the next thing that we need to do? It says, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we got parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. What's the next step?
We got to do the second.
The second one, because that's the exponent, right? So 3 squared again is what? 9. Okay. All right. So we got minus 8 plus 12 divided by 2 times 3. Now, do we have any parentheses now? Yes or no? Do we have any exponents? No. Well, because I asked for multiplication, division. Do we have multiplication and division?
Yes.
What comes first, the multiplication or division? No.
Division.
Division is most left. Even though the thing it says M becomes before D, you do the one that's most left. So you do division first, which is 12 divided by 2. That's the first thing you do, okay? Most left. That's the one that's most left. That one's to the right, the multiplication. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So rewrite the problem. We'll just go 9 plus 9 minus 8 plus what? 12 divided by 2 is what? 6 times 3. Everyone with me? All right. Now, we ask again, do we have parentheses? No. Do we have exponents? No. Do we have multiplication division still? Yeah, so that's the next thing we have to do, right? So what do we do? 6 times what? 3. So that's 18. Okay. We still have the plus, minus the 8. What's it? 9 plus 9, minus 8. Now, what is the next step we need to do? Is there any parentheses? No, right? Is there any exponents? No. Any multiplication? No. No division? Nope. Do we have addition?
Yes.
And subtraction. What do we do first? The one on the most left is what?
Addition.
Is addition. So 9 plus 9 makes what?
18.
So let's erase this here, so we have some room. We ran out of room, unfortunately. How do you make that thing go? Well, we'll do it up here. so 9 plus 9 makes 18, right? Minus 8 plus 18. What's the next operation we do?
The other addition.
No, we don't do the other addition because it goes left to right.
Oh, the
We have to do subtraction first. So 18 minus 8 is what? 10, and then plus 8 is equal to 28. Clear? So you would do that first. 18 minus 8 is 10. Okay? You understand the order of operations?
Yes.
Very simple. Always do the one that's most to the left first, between multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Let's try another example, okay? Oops. And just if you want to see this out real quick, 18 minus 8 was 10, plus 18 is 28, okay? Okay, how about we'll do this. 10 divided by 5 squared plus 3 minus 4. Times 2 plus 8 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. What do we do first? Parentheses. Do we have parentheses anywhere?
Yes.
Where do you see the parentheses?
10 divided by 5.
That one's most to the left, you're right, because it's kind of parentheses. So 10 divided by 5 makes what? What?
No, wait.
10 divided by 5?
Yeah.
5, that's 2.
10 divided by 5 is 2, right? So right here, 2 squared plus, again, 3 minus 4 times 2 plus 8 minus 2 divided by 3, right? So let's erase this again. All right, what's the next step? Now, are you sure?
Another parentheses.
There's a parenthesis. Where's the parentheses?
Next
3
one.
subtract 4.
3 subtracted by 4. This thing eraser's not working. Okay. Very good. Okay. 3 minus 4, which makes
1.
what kind of 1? Negative 1. So now we're going to have, again, 2 squared plus a negative 1 times 2 plus, do we have another parentheses?
Yes.
So what's 8 minus 2 make?
6.
So 6
Yeah. So 6.
is 6 divided by 3. What's the next thing we do? We got please, excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We're pretty much done with the parentheses, kind of, right? So what's next? So what's the exponent? 2 squared makes what? So we got 4. Okay. Then, is there anything else we can do? Negative 1 times 2, because this is division, right? And that's multiplication, so you do multiplication first. Negative 1 times 2 makes what? What? Negative 2. So 4 minus 2. What's 6 divided by 3 make?
2.
Plus 2. So the answer is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay? That's the answer. 4. Is that clear? So the key, and I'm not going to do another example, but the key in order of operations is that you look to the one that's most left and right first. You do the one most left, and that's pretty much it. Okay? Nothing else. Okay, that's it.